Welcome to Melbear's Weird and Wonderful. Today we're going to do part 2 of adding alcohol ink to a mica powder magic potion tumbler. I put out at least one new video every week, so please do consider subscribing. Thanks so much for watching. So today we're going to make a alcohol ink mica powder tumbler, and I did this once before and I wasn't really happy with it, and I'm going to try it again with more contrasting colors just because it seemed to bleed a bit. We're going to start off with a hollowed wall tumbler. I did get these from Michael's. Be pre-warned, some of them do leak. If you're looking for a high quality tumbler, get the Starbucks one. The problem is they're pretty expensive. These run about $5. But you do run the risk of them leaking, and I've had a few complaints saying that they do leak. I have had a couple leak on me, so just fair warning, sometimes they do leak. We're going to need two kinds of mica powder. I've got silvery white and silver gray, and I'm going to use about 7.5 ml of both. So we're going to mix them up. And then I'm using a blue alcohol ink. I was asked if you can use alcohol ink instead of food coloring. My first try at it, it did work, but I found it bled a little. So again, I'm going to try this again with more contrasting colors and see if that helps. So we're going to start off with some mica powder. I'm using a couple scoops of each of these. It's going to end up being about 3 ml of each approximately. This doesn't have to be perfect amounts. Oh, and we're going to need water as well, distilled water. Okay, we're going to mix those two up. And that is the color I was looking for. I was looking for more of a silver white. This was too white and the other one was too black. So now I've got a mix of both. And we're going to transfer this over to a squeeze bottle here. If this one, you know what, this one doesn't have quite a large enough hole for that. I'm going to put it over to this one. And if you want your powder to settle a little slower, you can add some glue to this. I've had numerous people say what happens if you don't add the glue, so I'm not going to add the glue on this one as well. And we'll show you what it does. It just settles faster, which no problem with that. If you want it to hang up in your tumbler longer, add some glue. I do approximately a tablespoon per quarter cup of water. And again, if that doesn't work for you, add more or less glue to your liking. If you want it to settle faster, add less glue. If you want it to settle slower, add more glue. You're just making your solution thicker with the glue. That's all you're doing. All right, now we're just going to add our water. All right, and we're going to add about 10 drops of the alcohol ink. We may need a little more, but we'll start with that and see how that goes. All right, so I'm going to add a bit more of the ink, probably about at least 10 more drops. This is not quite as dark as I want it. And I need just a touch more water in there as well. All right, so we've got all of our solution into the tumbler, and now I'm going to seal this. For tips on sealing tumblers, you can refer to my video 3 ways of sealing snow globe tumblers, and I'll be back when this is all done. All right, and here is our alcohol ink mica powder tumbler after it's been sitting for about half an hour. This has no glue in it, just water. So there you go. It definitely has a blue tinge to it from the alcohol ink. It's not pure silver, but it's really beautiful. Thanks so much for watching. I put out at least one new video every week, so please subscribe. I am trying to build a channel, and every subscription really does help. I hope you enjoyed this.